Hey guys, what is up? It's W's Biggest Fan 1997. Come back at you with another video. In this video, I'm gonna be unboxing Stone Cold's 5-pack VHS or 6-pack. I think it's his 6-pack VHS. It does not have the shirt with it, so yeah. Let's get into this. I think that's what it is. Hopefully that's what it is. So yeah. Yep. That's what it is. A little sticker. Very well packaged. And this is basically brand new in the wrapper. I just don't think it has the shirt with it. Stone Cold 6-pack. Let's get this open. And it says right there what you get. Usually it comes with an exclusive shirt, but this does not come with the shirt. Most likely. So yeah. Pretty cool. Stone Cold 6-pack. Let's look to see what you get. First in the set you get Stone Cold said so. You get Austin 316 uncensored. You get Hell Yeah. You can get Austin vs. McMahon. And then you get Stone Cold Lord of the Ring. And this last one is supposed to be where the here's your bonus t-shirt, but obviously I don't have the t-shirt, so yeah. It's just a little placeholder here. Sweet. I hope you all enjoyed. Please drop a comment, like, and subscribe. And like always, thanks for watching. Thank you for all the support, guys. I appreciate it so much. Thanks. Peace.